Darkness stirs across endless galaxies. A radiant throne blazes with unapproachable light. Seraphim chant in thunderous unison. Before time, before man, there was war. Lucifer, robed in brilliance, standing among the hosts of heaven. His wings shimmer with unmatched beauty. He gazes at the throne of Elohim.
I will ascend above the stars. I will be like the Most High.
Michael the Archangel steps forward, sword blazing with celestial fire. Behind him, an army of angels with flaming swords.
Lucifer, your throne is no more. You are cast down.
Angels clash in waves of light and fire. Galaxies tremble. Lucifer's radiant form twists into shadow as he plummets. The first war in the heavens. The fall that changed eternity. The first war in the heavens. The fall of Lucifer.